What is trigonometry? Say we have a pole over here and I'm standing somewhere over here. We don't know the height of the pole, but we know the distance from the pole and the angle at which I'm looking at the pole. We can measure the height of the pole using trigonometry. And say we're looking at the top of a building. This is the building. And we're looking at the top. And we know how far away we are standing from the building. And we are also given the height of the building. So we can find out the angle at which we are looking at the building if we use trigonometry. So trigonometry can be used in many fields like engineering, architecture, and many other sciences. If we look closely, we can see that all of these represents a triangle. We can make out a triangle from these figures. So trigonometry is basically the study of the relationship between angles and sides of a triangle. We can be more precise and say that all of these looks like a right-angled triangle. So let's draw a right-angled triangle first. So this is my best attempt at drawing a right-angled triangle. And we'll only be dealing with right-angled triangles because the other triangles are a bit more complicated and will only come in the higher classes. So the beauty about right-angled triangles is that it's associated with the Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem. And it basically says base square plus altitude square gives hypotenuse square. So what is the base? Base is this side which is at the base, and altitude is the one which stands upright, and hypotenuse is the one which is the longest. So the base square plus altitude square gives us the hypotenuse square. This is a really good relationship we can play around with. We can use it in many mathematical equations. So keep this in mind because we'll be using it a lot in the coming problems.